To set a trailing stop loss on Robinhood options, start by understanding what a trailing stop loss is. A trailing stop loss is a type of stop loss order that automatically adjusts to the current market price of the underlying asset, based on a specified percentage or dollar amount. This allows you to lock in profits while limiting potential losses. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the options trading platform. Select the options contract you want to set a trailing stop loss for. Make sure you have an open position in that contract. Next, tap the three horizontal lines icon to access the menu. Then select the position you want to set the trailing stop loss for. Scroll down to the stop loss section and tap the edit button. Here, you will see the option to set a stop loss or a trailing stop loss. Select the trailing stop loss option. You will then be prompted to enter the percentage or dollar amount you want the trailing stop loss to be based on. For example, if you want to set a trailing stop loss of 10%, enter 10 in the percentage field. This means that if the price of the underlying asset increases, the trailing stop loss will automatically adjust to 10% below the new market price. Once you have entered the percentage or dollar amount, tap the review button to review your order. Make sure all the details are correct, including the trailing stop loss percentage or dollar amount. Finally, tap the confirm button to place the trailing stop loss order. Your trailing stop loss is now active and will automatically adjust to the current market price of the underlying asset. Best practices for using trailing stop losses include setting a reasonable percentage or dollar amount, monitoring your positions regularly, and adjusting your trailing stop losses as needed. It is also important to keep in mind that trailing stop losses are not a guarantee against losses, but rather a risk management tool to help limit potential losses. By following these steps and using trailing stop losses effectively, you can help manage your risk and protect your profits when trading options on Robinhood.